Hi, I'm Darren Walters, General Manager at Exmark. 2021 hasn't been without its challenges, but here at Exmark, we remain focused on innovation and on pushing the industry forward today, tomorrow, and into the future. Whether it's the next evolution of established products or developing innovative new products from the ground up, all of us at Exmark share the same commitment to our customers to give them tools that deliver a competitive edge with the quality, durability, and low total cost of ownership they expect from Exmark products. So with that in mind, let's take a look to see what's ahead at Exmark in 2022.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce the new 2022 Exmark Vertex stand-on mower. The unit I'm showing today is a prototype that we have used for multiple tests and will change slightly prior to production. Like all Exmark mowers, the Vertex delivers a superior quality of cut and features an Ultra-Cut Series 4 deck with anti-scalp rollers and an available micro-mulch system. We designed the exhaust to exit on the discharge side to lessen heat on flower beds and other landscaping, and soft, flexible hydro lines were added for quieter, smoother operation. All the controls on the Vertex are centrally located and within easy reach of the operator, including a single-point height-of-cut adjustment. We've also reduced maintenance on the Vertex with no in-season grease points, a single belt drive system, and sealed caster wheels and forks. For the Vertex, every detail was considered, researched, and designed to deliver the durability, quality of cut, and simplicity that landscape professionals expect from an Exmark mower.
Hey guys, I want to welcome you here to Exmark Park, which is just one of the many places we use to evaluate all of our equipment. Now I'd like to introduce to you the all-new Lazer Z Diesel 144-inch mower. Even before the introduction of our 96-inch Lazer Z Diesel nearly 4 years ago, work was already being done to try to continue to set the bar for productivity, reliability, and efficiency of a zero-turn mower. Because of that, this machine has easily gone through a rigorous development and test process worthy of its size and potential. One key aspect I'd love to focus on is operator comfort. So not only does this machine have all of the vibration isolation that you find in the 96-inch Lazer Z Diesel, but we've also added improved comfort to reduce temperature to the operator and an all-new 4-inch travel suspension seat. This heavy-duty machine is powered by a 43.5 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine. The extremely smooth 2-speed drive system offers 0 to 10 mile an hour in a low-speed, high-torque mode and up to 17 mile an hour in a transport mode. It mows 11.5 acres per hour, which is equal to or greater than 3 72-inch machines, and even 20 to 40% more productive than our 96-inch Lazer Z Diesel. The 144-inch Lazer Z Diesel mower features an Ultra-Cut rear discharge deck comprised of 3 48-inch sections, the center sections and 2 wing sections. The wing sections will float up 20 degrees and down 15 degrees. When the mower is completely folded up for transport mode as seen here, the overall width of the machine is approximately 83 inches wide, which allows this machine to easily be transported on industry standard trailers. Despite its size, we have made the 144-inch Lazer Z Diesel routine maintenance very simple, including a removable floor pan, removable belt shields, along with 6 of the same blades, and then the exact same amount of grease points as our current 96-inch Lazer Z Diesel. The 144-inch Lazer Z Diesel mower offers the durability and reliability required for large properties, municipalities, and universities. Now, Chris Lammy is going to discuss another new product, the Lazer Z with Oil Guard.
We're excited to launch the Exmark Lazer Z X-Series with Oil Guard, which allows landscape contractors to maximize their profit by reducing oil costs and increasing uptime. With Oil Guard, engine oil temps run 20 to 30 degrees cooler, which mean longer engine life and better oil viscosity. Plus, from the factory, you no longer need a 10-hour initial oil change, and the regular service intervals are 500 hours instead of the current 100 hours. This means 60% reduced maintenance costs on oil. As you can see, the unique design of the system allows for faster, easier engine oil changes with no tools or funnels needed. Finally, one of the great things you're going to like about Oil Guard is it's a factory integrated technology, so that means it comes with Vanguard's 3-year commercial engine limited warranty.
Hey everyone, I'm here in the Exmark Training Center, where we work on educational videos for our dealer network across the US and Canada. Today, I wanted to tell you about the changes we've made to the Lazer Z X-Series. We've given this machine more horsepower by upgrading to a Kawaski FX921 with 31 horsepower. We've also updated the look of the drive tires. The wider, more aggressive tires help reduce turf compaction and add to the overall look of the machine. We are really excited about the updates to the Lazer Z X-Series, and we can't wait for you to get your hands on one of these.
In closing, I'd like to thank our customers, partners, and everyone in the Exmark family for your continued support through these unprecedented times. Without you, none of this would be possible. That's why we're working harder than ever to deliver the innovative new products you need to enable 2022 to be your best year ever. Together we will succeed and thrive, today, tomorrow, and well into the future.